At Thunderbird, we don't just talk about global business, we get out there and do it. The Global Challenge Lab, known as the GCL, is where classroom learning meets the real world. It's a full-throttle, hands-on consulting experience for all Master of Global Management students and one of the most exciting parts of the Thunderbird journey. Through the GCL, student teams become global consultants. That's right, real consulting, real deliverables, real impact. Each team of 4 to 6 students works full-time on a project for an organization somewhere in the world, solving complex business challenges with guidance from expert Thunderbird faculty. Projects run during the summer and fall semesters.
The GCL is Thunderbird's Global Challenge Lab. It's an opportunity for students to get hands-on consulting experience with companies from all over the world.
GCL is like really learning about what you studied in your academics and putting that into real life practice.
The spotlight is on you as students and as a team to provide the best recommendations to your client. It gives you this hands-on practical experience you wouldn't get in the class.
The GCL starts with 2 weeks on campus for consulting preparation, followed by 3 action-packed weeks on site with the client, either internationally or domestically, and concluding with 2 weeks back on campus to refine and deliver strategic, actionable recommendations. And here's the best part. It's not just life-changing for the students. Clients gain tremendous value as well.
そしてその、細かい、アドバイス、細かい内容は我々の想像を上回るものでして、それが、今私たちが海外におけるビジネス展開をしている一つのきっかけとなっております。
You're essentially getting a team of bright, globally minded consultants for free. We work with clients to help define a high priority growth challenge, whether related to marketing and sales, international expansion, new product development, digitalization, finance, HR, internal process optimization, or any other pressing business need, and deliver fresh insights and data-driven strategies to move their business forward. Past clients have included major players like Smuckers, Intel, Cisco, FedEx, Scotiabank, and Heifer International, just to name a few. But it's not just about big names. Whether you're a Fortune 500 company or a small nonprofit, the GCL delivers real results. One client said, their work genuinely accelerated our internationalization. Another told us, this team outperformed professional consultants. If you're a student, get ready for a global adventure that will transform your career. And if you're an organization with a tough challenge or exciting opportunity, we want to hear from you. Submit your project idea today or connect directly with the Applied Learning team. Let's build something extraordinary together.